What's up guys, it's the Tech Reviewer here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to shoot 4K video on your own iPhone. This works for almost any iPhone that's recent enough, any iPhone that updates to iOS 13, so 6 and above. You should be able to shoot either 4K 30 or 4K 60 depending on how recent your phone is. So let's jump into the video. This is my first video, so please like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to right over here, camera, and you're going to click camera, and then it's just going to say record video, and this means front facing video. And I have the iPhone 6s. I have the option of 4K at 30 FPS. If you have one of the more recent phones like the 11 Pro, you can probably be recording at 4K 60 FPS. You also have this over here where it's slow-mo, and I'm gonna click say 1080 HD at 120 FPS. So if I go over here now and I click video, I can see right over there on the top right corner 4K. I can't really show you, but like you can see where I focused around there. It says 4K, and then if I go to slow-mo, it says HD, and then that's a 120 frames per second. So thank you so much for looking at this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please like and subscribe, or comment on any feedback that you think you have for me, because it's all greatly appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.